For your safety and the safety of those around you, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete and final stop at the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Keep the aisle clear of all carry-on items. Take a moment to look in the seat pocket for any personal items such as cell phones or tablets. Use caution when opening overhead bins, as contents may have shifted during flight. For those of you who've gate checked your bags in Salt Lake City, that would be the bags with the red or yellow tags. Those will be available here on the jet bridge. We ask that you form a single file line along the left side of the jet bridge. This will allow room for passengers who are not waiting for checked luggage and wheelchairs to get through freely. Keep in mind, once you've entered the terminal, the gate agent will not let you return to the jet bridge to retrieve any luggage. So please be patient and give the ground agent a few minutes. For those of you connecting here in the Phoenix area, we recommend you proceed directly to your connecting gate. Please check the airport monitors or go to aa.com from your mobile phone. If Phoenix is your final destination, you may retrieve all other luggage at the baggage claim area. On behalf of American Airlines, American Eagle, and our One World Alliance partners, we'd like to thank you for flying with us. Wish you a pleasant stay here in the Phoenix area or wherever your final destination may take you. You are now free to use your mobile phones. And ladies and gentlemen, as a quick reminder, we do need everyone to remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. This will be your one and only indication that it is safe to move out the cabin. Thank you for your cooperation and attention. Hope you have a wonderful day. Ladies and gentlemen, we do have a few passengers with tight connections. If you do not have to connect or have a later connection, you can remain seated and allow those passengers with tighter connections to get through. They would greatly appreciate your cooperation.